Alright guys, today we're tuning this new Edge again. It's a Procharged 2-valve car. It's been here a few times. I'll link a couple videos in the description. But changes this time are some 3-inch intercooler tubing over here. This used to be a 2.5. A larger MAF housing, different injectors, and more fuel system. Last time it was here, we ran out of fuel system on E85. So this car has a pretty loose converter on the factory trans. And I do dyno it unlocked. So I have to creep up on it a little bit. You notice in the pulls that I'm rolling up onto the RPMs quite a bit before I actually pull the trigger on the thing. And that is why, but definitely a cool car. Last time this was here, it made right around 440 to the tire. Obviously hoping to do a little bit better, being able that we can turn it some RPM this time. I had to set the limiter before at 7,000. It was making peak power around there. I don't know how much we're going to gain from turning it a little bit harder, but we will see. Let's find out. Alright, made 479, 416 foot-pounds of torque. Here's what the graph looks like. This up here was it approaching the next gear. It started to shift, so I had to bail. But yeah, made peak power out there, 7,100. So I moved the shift points up a touch. But yeah, 480 to the tire through that converter is definitely a good number. This car should go probably, I don't know, 1090s, I would imagine. 1080s maybe in good air. But definitely a decent car for how it looks. I love the side pipe setup on it. The yellow, it's just a cool car. It looks relatively calm, right? And the cams aren't aggressive enough to sound super crazy. But anyway, gotta like a 10-second street car. I think before on the 440 to the tire, so it's picked up 40 wheel from the last time it was here. I think before it went 11 teens, so we should definitely stick that thing into the 10s pretty easy with that power change. But that's it for this one. Gonna get it off of here and move on to the next.